Racing just is started. We have Mesmerize. First to show quickness at the start. Moving up on the outside. Ninjutsu. Perfect pass in the middle portion. Mr. J. Then next online. Coquette. Teritun. And on the outside. Royal Scepter. Lengths up the leader. We have Mesmerize. By about 3/4 of a length lead. Ninjutsu in second. In the middle portion. Now is perfect pass. 4 lengths further back in fourth comes Royal Scepter. Mr. J comes next, then followed by Terry Tuna, Fly Aday, Fly Coquette, Prince Dugo, and they are now entering the home stretch. We are perfect pass by Odalenka. Ninjutsu is on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. We have Ninjutsu followed by perfect pass down on the inside. Ninjutsu, perfect pass, and finally it's going to be Ninjutsu. Perfect pass, then comes Mr. J.
Okay, nakita ko si Ninjutsu 8A winning this race unofficially.